Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm sharing 5 super simple life hacks that will change the way you live and work. I promise these are easy to implement and can make a huge difference. Let's dive right in. Hack number 1. The 2-minute rule. Hack number 1 is all about the 2-minute rule. Here's how it works. If a task takes 2 minutes or less, do it right away. Sounds easy, right? Simple tasks like responding to an email or tidying up your desk. Just get them done immediately. You replying to an email on your phone, making your bed, and cleaning up a desk. Fast, simple actions. This helps you stay on top of everything and stop small tasks from piling up. It's a small change that can seriously clear up your mind and your to-do list. Hack number 2. Morning rituals. Hack number 2. Have a morning ritual. Starting your day right is key to setting the tone for everything that follows. Whether it's enjoying a quiet cup of coffee, writing in a journal, or doing a few stretches, find something that calms you and helps you feel centered. You sipping coffee, journaling, or stretching in a relaxed morning setting. Starting your day with intention and calmness can help you stay productive and positive all day long. Hack number 3. The 80-20th rule. Hack number 3 is the 80-20th rule. It says that 80% of your results come from just 20% of your efforts. So, what does that mean? Focus on the 20% of things that truly drive results for you, whether that's at work, in your fitness routine, or in your personal life. You working on something important, like a big project or task, with a focused expression. By spending more time on what really matters, you can work smarter, not harder. Hack number 4. Visualization. Hack number 4. Visualization. Take just 5 minutes each day to close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your goals. Picture the end result. What does it feel like? What's happening around you? You sitting quietly, eyes closed, visualizing success. Maybe a soft background track for this moment. Visualizing your goals as if they've already happened helps you stay motivated and focused, and it actually primes your mind to spot opportunities to make them a reality. Hack number 5. The power of saying no. And finally, hack number 5. The power of saying no. We all get asked to do things that aren't really in line with our goals or values, right? Learning to say no allows you to protect your time and energy for the things that truly matter. You politely declining an invitation or request, smiling but firm. Saying no isn't about being rude. It's about focusing on what's important and not overloading yourself. It gives you the freedom to say yes to the things that move you forward. And there you go. 5 simple, life-changing hacks you can start using today. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos.